What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a company called Gridwise. I wanted to share this all with you. I will have a link down below to sign up. Gridwise is essentially an app that helps Uber and Lyft drivers, as well as DoorDash, Instacart, everybody who works for gig apps, earn more income. So we do have a referral link down below when you sign up. But listen to this, my friends. Gridwise has a protection. This is big. Protection of 80% of your lost income when you can't work. So there was another company called Cover in the past. I don't know if you guys remember them, but they're like totally full and they're like at max capacity. They used to have something similar. It was an income protection program. I guess now Gridwise is doing that too. I didn't even know that, just being honest. I haven't made a video on Gridwise in a while. But this is really interesting. So if you're driving for Uber, let's say you're making $1,000 a week, which isn't impossible. Some people make $2,000 a week. Let's say you make $1,000 a week and you can't work. Let me see if I can look into that more. Well, they're doing like a lot of stuff. They do telemedicine, dental insurance. Okay, let's look at the, I don't know why you can't see the reason, like, I guess you gotta sign up to do that. But because if you can't work, I'm trying to see what, you're gonna have to look into that more for yourself. It'll say it on the app, but if you can't work, they're gonna cover 80% of your income. So that means $800 a week. You're sitting, you know, whatever, maybe you get into an accident or you get deactivated. I'm not sure the reasoning why, but look into that. Gridwise gas, save up to 50 cents per gallon. That's pretty interesting. Rideshare and delivery drivers never pay full price for gas again. Gridwise and GasBuddy have teamed up to offer discounts of up to 50 cents a gallon with Gridwise gas, powered by GasBuddy. Very interesting. No cost insurance. Get up to $10,000 of life and this sounds really, really awesome. Vision insurance, dental insurance, telemedicine, accident, medical expense insurance, roadside assistance, phone protection, life insurance. Wow, this is very interesting. Gridwise Credit Booster, Gridwise Rental. They have so many freaking programs. But yeah, one of the best things about Gridwise is that it helps show drivers where they're earning more money. It also gives drivers a mileage tracking system. So when you're driving and you know, use a mile for business, that can be a tax deduction. Not a CPA, consult with a CPA to get, you know, take advantage of all that. But anyways, I want to make this quick video to tell you all about Gridwise. I just love that there are companies out there who are helping drivers. So this could be a great opportunity for you, especially for your full-time income drivers. Link below, sign up. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye.